Bafana coach Copros has expressed his deep frustration after Orlando Pirates defender Bekesi Mbokazi missed his scheduled flight to Gauteng, resulting in a late arrival at the national team camp in Pretoria. The national team is currently holding a preparation camp at the High Performance Center ahead of their departure to Morocco next week for the Africa Cup of Nations. South Africa will face Ghana's Jan side in a warm-up match on Tuesday, 16 December, before jetting off the following day. All players were expected to report for duty this week, but Mbogazi was notably absent after failing to board his flight from Durban. According to Bros, the Pirates technical team informed him of the missed flight, and they were equally unimpressed. Bros told the reporters that Mbogazi has just arrived or will arrive in 15 minutes. I didn't really want to talk about it, but since you asked, you deserve to know that I'm not pleased about the situation. Bros did not mince his words, calling the 19-year-old's behavior unprofessional and saying he expected far more from a player newly called up to represent South Africa at a major tournament, and said when you are a 19-year-old selected for AFCON and potentially the World Cup next year, and the coach even gives you extra days off. If you have the right attitude, you don't even want those days off. You make sure you are here with the rest of the squad on Monday. Bros added that he will be having a stern conversation with the rising star and said I will have a chat with him after training. I can assure you this is something I cannot accept. I know why this happened. Certainly Mbogazi is a star and he thinks he is a star. This is the attitude of someone who believes they can decide when they arrive. Mbogazi's late arrival comes just days after his final appearance for Orlando Pirates in the Carling Knockout Cup final ahead of his move to Major League Soccer side Chicago Fire. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.